Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Darren and I have a new unboxing video for you today, and that is for two Tom Ford ties I ordered from tomford.com. Here's the first one. Here's the shipping container from Chicago. So this probably came from a store sent via FedEx. I want to be careful because I don't know how they pack it in there. I don't want to cut anything. I shouldn't be cutting. Okay, so there's a box inside the box. Oh, nice. It's like this mint green color box. Tom Ford. I thought it said something at the bottom, but it doesn't. It's got like a dark green, glossy dark green border. It's beautiful. It's got texture on it. I think that's it. And Tom Ford tissue, Tom Ford sticker. Okay, so here we go. Wow, it's very light, and the material is very smooth and silky. But this is the like turquoise blue leopard print, and man, this is gorgeous. Look at that. And okay, so here's Tom Ford. Here's 100% silk, made in Italy. And the tag, I think this was $280. Yeah, $280 US. And usually it says Tom Ford there, but this one doesn't. But see if there's any other marks or anything, or like labeling or anything like that is what I mean. But it doesn't look like it. It's very, you can kind of see like the light go through it. So I'm not, it says silk and it definitely feels like it. It's so light. And oh man, I love it. Not sure if this is supposed to be there, but if you guys look at the bottom, there's that like a line. I don't know, but there isn't a line on this side. Don't know if it's supposed to be like that or not. It's the other side of it. But then there's like another line. I don't know. Why is it like that? Well, anyway, it's beautiful, right? I think I could wear this with like my black suit. Okay, so that's the first tie. And the shipping container from Georgia, so probably from a mall or store. I don't know. I don't know where their tomford.com is based. I would think New Jersey, because that's usually where like I get like when I buy luxury products, that's where they come from. Okay, so there was an invoice, and here's the box, just like the other one, only This one came with Tom Ford ribbon. It's tied very nicely. Very nice presentation. Yeah, they really tied it. Okay, same charcoal gray like tissue, Tom Ford sticker. Oh yeah, here we go. This is a solid black tie. And it's got like little lines, so there's some texture. Oh man, this is beautiful. The back, don't know why they did that. But okay, so Tom Ford label. And 100% silk, made in Italy. And the tag, yeah, it's $310 US. And it's very I'm not sure how to describe it, but it has like it's way heavier than the other one. It has more of like where it keeps its shape, or this one kind of flaps around, you know. This one is more solid. Oh man, it's beautiful. I don't have a solid black. I have the one that looks kind of black that I unboxed before, but not like this. So actually, you guys, I unboxed. Oh, I bought a new tie that I didn't have a chance to unbox. I'll show it to you. Got this from Neiman Marcus. NeimanMarcus.com. And it's like, it's not showing up. It's showing up more like violet purplish, but it's actually more reddish or maroon. And it's beautiful. It's not Tom Ford. It's Canali. Yeah, Canali, made in Italy. And I think that's 100% silk. Yeah. And this is gorgeous too. It's definitely comes out more red in person, which is why I liked it. But it looks great on camera too. It has that sort of like shininess to it. Yeah. And if you guys want, we can look at all the ties I have and sort of compare them really quick. So I've unboxed all these ties before. If you guys haven't seen them, they're on my channel. But so these are all Tom Ford except for this one. So that the tie I was talking about before that looks like the black tie I just unboxed is this one. It's like a micro check, navy and black. And like from a distance it looks black, but you can really tell like in the light it's more blue. And look at that. Just comparing it, you can see here. There's no mistake, like side by side, there's no mistaking this is way more navy. I mean, they're both beautiful, but in this would just look great against my blue shirt and blue suit jacket. That one. And then of course my black and white check. This is great. I wear that with my black suit. Pretty sure I unboxed this one on camera. Actually, I don't think I did, but I don't remember. But this is like herringbone pattern, like red and pink. It's sort of shiny too. And then the navy with light blue polka dots. I love this one. I have the one David Donahue shirt that's the opposite. So it's light blue with the navy dots, and I wear it with this, and the contrast looks great. And finally, a bow tie that I bought from Bergdorf Goodman is this pre-tied velvet navy blue bow tie. Got this. I initially wanted a red one, and I'd ordered it, I think, from Neiman Marcus, and it was canceled because they didn't have it. And then I tried Bergdorf Goodman, and they didn't have it, but they did have this, so I got this instead. I haven't worn it yet, but I haven't had a reason to wear it yet, but it's beautiful. I love how it's sort of, it's not perfect, like it's just there. See the metal detail. It's very thick. It's very soft. And made in Italy. 100% cotton, Tom Ford. And the different like measurements there. More hardware. And another look. The two ties I unboxed. Okay, you guys, that was my unboxing of my leopard print tie and my solid black tie. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you on the next one.